Welcome everyone. You're trying to update your iOS software version, but instead of it working, you just see this pause text, and it doesn't matter what you do, it's stuck on pause. So the first solution is we're going to need to restart our iPhone, and then we're going to need to change a setting after the restart. So we're going to press and hold power and volume down together. So press and hold these two together. Do not release. Release when you see these slide to power off screen. We're going to slide to power off, give it 20 seconds, press and hold the power button to turn back on the phone. After the restart, I want you to open up the settings, and inside of the settings, I want you to locate where you see the display and brightness, and then we're going to scroll to the bottom, and where auto lock is, we're going to need to temporarily set this to never. So if you're not happy with auto lock set to never, just set it while we are updating the software. Now, I want you to head over to where you see general, and then back to software update. The paused issue is happening because you're in the software update screen, the software is downloading, and you leave the screen, and then it pauses. This is a glitch if you're updating from an older software, and so you just need to stay on this update screen, install the update, just wait for everything to finish, and once it's finished, tap the install now. I would also recommend you leave your phone on the charger like this, just leave it on this screen, don't touch anything, plop it down, wait for that firmware to download, and it's all good. If it does pause in the future, you will have to restart again, try again. Again, this is just a bug with some older softwares. If you're trying to update, they just show paused. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.